Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lakewood local and long distance movers near me. Your long distance move can be much easier with the following options: packing and unpacking services, moving supplies, and on time move and upfront pricing. When you choose to work with the professional movers, you get the best team for the job. We can help make your relocation easier, even if you're just going 100 miles, 1,000, or 2,000 miles away. You already have enough to worry about. Let us handle the hard work. If you're ready to move locally, an Illinois moving company is definitely the right choice. With the best movers for your needs, you save time and energy. Sure, a local move is shorter in distance, but you still have to move everything on your own. With 3 movers on the job, you get a moving day you can enjoy. Instead of stressing out and using all your energy lifting things, you can relax. We take care of the hard work so you can focus on getting settled in and relaxing. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lakewood moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.